Have you ever tried cooking for a large group outdoors, only to realize your portable camp stove just doesn't have enough power? Waiting forever for water to boil, or struggling to cook multiple dishes at once can quickly take the fun out of camping, tailgating, or backyard cookouts. If that sounds familiar, today's product might be exactly what you're looking for. Today we're checking out the Outvita 2 Burner Propane Gas Stove, a high-output outdoor cooking station built for campers, backyard chefs, caterers, tailgaters, hunters, RV travelers, and anyone who needs serious cooking power away from the kitchen. With dual burners delivering up to 150,000 BTUs of total heat, this stove is designed to handle everything from boiling seafood to frying steaks and cooking large family meals. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Outvita stove has a rugged, no-nonsense design that clearly focuses on durability rather than appearance. It's constructed from reinforced iron with a weather-resistant powder-coated finish, giving it the kind of sturdy build you'd expect from outdoor equipment. It doesn't feel like a lightweight camping accessory. Instead, it feels more like a portable outdoor cooking station that can handle repeated use in different environments. One feature that immediately stands out is the removable leg design. Assembly takes only a few minutes, and when you're finished cooking, the legs detach for easier transportation and storage. That's especially useful if you're packing the stove into an RV, truck bed, trailer, or camping gear without sacrificing too much storage space. It's a simple feature, but one that makes a noticeable difference for anyone who travels frequently. Performance is where this stove really earns its reputation. Each burner produces up to 75,000 BTUs, providing an impressive amount of heat that's capable of bringing large pots to a boil surprisingly quickly. Whether you're preparing seafood boils, deep frying, brewing, canning vegetables, or cooking for a family reunion, the extra power dramatically reduces waiting time. Instead of standing around waiting for your cookware to heat up, you can spend more time actually preparing your meal. The independent burner controls also make everyday outdoor cooking much more practical. Since each burner has its own temperature control knob, you can simmer chili on one side while searing burgers or steaks on the other without constantly adjusting a single flame. That flexibility feels much closer to cooking on a full-sized kitchen range, making meal preparation smoother and more efficient. Despite its powerful burners, operating the stove remains straightforward. Once connected to a compatible propane tank and regulator, ignition and flame adjustments are simple enough for most users with basic outdoor cooking experience. The open frame design also provides enough space to accommodate larger stock pots, cast iron cookware, griddles, and oversized pans that smaller camping stoves often struggle to support. Of course, there are a few trade-offs to consider. This isn't designed to be an ultra-light backpacking stove. Because it's built with reinforced iron and heavy-duty burners, it's naturally heavier than compact camping cookers. It also requires adequate outdoor ventilation and a propane tank, so it's best suited for backyards, campsites, tailgating events, emergency preparedness, or outdoor kitchens rather than small indoor spaces. Overall, the Outvita 2 Burner Propane Gas Stove delivers exactly what its target audience is looking for: serious heat, dependable construction, flexible cooking, and easy portability. If you regularly cook outdoors for family gatherings, camping trips, hunting camps, food events, or emergencies, it's a practical investment that can save both time and frustration. If you'd like to check today's latest price or availability, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description below. And if this review helped you decide whether this stove is right for you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest outdoor gear and kitchen equipment reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.